So we made this review after testing this product for a while. Hope this video will help you to find the answer, is it suitable for you or not? Let's get started.
If you're thinking about using ScoreCEO for your credit repair business, this review is based on my experience after using the software for around 6 months. When I first signed up, I wanted a platform that could help manage clients, automate routine tasks, and keep my credit repair workflow organized. After 6 months of using ScoreCEO, I found it to be a capable platform with several features designed specifically for credit repair companies. One of the biggest strengths is automation. The software helps reduce manual work by organizing client information, tracking progress, and handling many day-to-day management tasks. This can save a significant amount of time, especially as your client list grows. I also like the client management tools. Everything is centralized, making it easier to monitor disputes, communicate with clients, and keep records organized. The dashboard is relatively clean, and once you learn the system, navigating through different features becomes fairly straightforward. Another positive is that ScoreCEO includes tools that support business growth, not just dispute management. For users who are trying to scale their operations, that can be a valuable advantage. However, there are some downsides. The first is the learning curve. Like many advanced CRM platforms, it takes time to understand all the features and configure everything correctly. New users may need a few weeks before feeling completely comfortable with the software. Pricing is another factor to consider. Depending on the size of your business, the monthly cost may be a worthwhile investment or an unnecessary expense if you're only managing a small number of clients. It's also important to remember that ScoreCEO is a business management platform, not a shortcut to better credit repair results. The software can improve efficiency and organization, but it doesn't replace knowledge, experience, or effective client service. Before signing up, pay attention to the available automation tools, integrations, pricing plans, and whether the feature set matches your business needs. Overall, after 6 months of use, my experience with ScoreCEO has been positive. It's a powerful credit repair software platform that can help streamline operations and save time, but you'll get the most value from it if you're prepared to learn the system and fully utilize its features.